Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Hello.
Here to show you another one of our Land Cruisers. This is a 1976 Land Cruiser FJ. This is another nut and bolt frame off restoration. It is literally brand new from top to bottom or bottom to top, whichever way you'd like to say it. Has a 4-cylinder diesel engine in it, which is very cool because most of these do not have a diesel engine in them. And the paint is beautiful, the tires and wheels are beautiful, the engine bay is new. I really love the looks of the black seats in the front and the back. They're simple, but they're really nice. The master door panels well. Very tasteful restoration. It looks like it was done pretty much in factory specs.
Really cool.
It's new.
Yep, from top to bottom, the
new
undercarriage,
76.
everything is in impeccable condition. So, like always, we'll get the engine started, take a look at the engine bay, and then we're gonna take it down the road. Stay tuned.
Ready?
Here we go.
Test drive. 1976 Toyota. I got her in 2-wheel drive, too high, so it should be able to go at least 30 mile an hour. Like all our gauges are working properly. Horn blows.
Yep.
Windshield wipers.
This thing is immaculate.
That's brand new.
Yep, it's awesome.
This is about simplicity at its finest.
Yep.
Look at this road. The tire must not have been lasting back.
Very cool.
I'm gonna turn this around. I'm not taking this.
Yeah,
out
we're
the
not going
road.
to take it on the big road.
Too much
It's
traffic this
not
time of
too
day.
fast. So, beautiful, beautiful Land Cruiser. So come
just
check it
like
out.
new, yeah.
Yep, just like new. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys.